Hey there, future coders! If you're diving into the world of app development, you've likely heard about Dart. Today, I'm breaking down Dart for you. What it is, why it's awesome, and what you need to get started. First up, let's talk about Dart. Dart is a programming language developed by Google. It's optimized for user interfaces, making it a great choice for building mobile, desktop, and web apps. Plus, if you're into Flutter, Dart is a must-know since it's the language behind it. So, why should you learn Dart? Dart is fast. It's designed to be efficient in both development and execution, meaning your apps run smoothly and you can iterate quickly. It's also easy to learn if you're familiar with languages like JavaScript or Java. And it's backed by Google, meaning it's constantly evolving and supported. All right, let's get into your roadmap for mastering Dart. Step 1. Basics. Start with the Dart language tour. Get comfortable with syntax, data types, and control flow. Practice writing simple scripts to solidify your understanding. Step 2. Object-oriented programming, or OOP. Dart is an object-oriented language, so you'll need to understand classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. Work on small projects to apply these concepts. Step 3. Asynchronous programming. Dart is heavily asynchronous, especially when building apps with Flutter. Learn about futures, streams, and how to handle asynchronous code. Step 4. Flutter. Once you're comfortable with Dart, move on to Flutter. Start with the basics of Flutter widgets and layouts. Build small apps to get a feel for how Dart and Flutter work together. Now, onto software requirements. To start coding in Dart, you'll need a few things. First, an IDE or code editor. Popular choices are IntelliJ IDEA, Visual Studio Code, or Android Studio. Make sure your editor has Dart and Flutter plugins installed. Next, install the Dart SDK. You can download it from the official Dart website. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. And don't forget to set up your environment variables if needed. For Flutter development, you'll need the Flutter SDK. Download it from the Flutter website and follow the setup instructions carefully. Ensure your IDE is configured for Flutter development. Finally, version control. Git is essential for managing your code. Set up a GitHub account and learn the basics of Git commands. This will be invaluable for collaborating and tracking changes in your projects. And there you have it. With this roadmap and the right software, you're all set to dive into Dart and start building amazing applications. Remember, practice is key. Keep coding and experimenting. Happy coding! If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.